Hey guys, what is up? It is Tutorial Central here, and today's video is not a tutorial. Yeah, that was my cousin in the background. I haven't turned on my webcam yet because the face reveal is for 10 subscribers. I think you guys can do that. Go ahead and share this channel with your friends, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, let's just see how it goes. Okay, so right now in this video, I'm just gonna be exploding a lot of TNT. This is how you test your computer strength. Strength. So if your computer's horrible, it's gonna die during this. But if your computer's not horrible, it's not gonna die. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go way far away from you. So let's do this. Okay, here we go. So
I'm just gonna back away right now from that evil monster. It's probably gonna make this computer die.
yeah.
Oh, you ready?
She's on my older computer, my laptop.
That's not so great.
Yeah, this is horrible. So
we have to see if this.
so we're gonna see if hers test goes through it too, and if mine doesn't make it, then we better go ahead and factory reset that thing. So
Okay, you ready?
yeah.
I don't know.
No, not this song. Or go shut my door.
Okay. I'll shut this pot down.
No, I wasn't. I was hating on you. Okay.
Okay, we're dancing in the middle of the living room.
Okay, that's weird.
Luke, you didn't even do your chores. So bad. I'm going to make sure you do your chores.
Okay, so let's go ahead and go down here. Connect all of this with redstone. And I'm actually gonna make a viewing area, so stay tuned for that. Place our TNT there. So it'll pretty much trigger everything. And let's go ahead and make a go ahead and make our little room.
Like, you've got a way littler chore list than I do. Mine's like huge.
Hey Bree, try not to talk off topic because we're focusing on this right now, so.
Looks like a person.
Okay, so this is our little viewing balcony. We're probably also gonna die.
Are you ready?
Are you ready to see this monstrosity? Hold on, let me make a chair first.
You're gonna use my chair design, right?
Yeah. Also, this is kind of a tutorial because I'm gonna show you guys how to make a chair. So all you need is rails, a minecart, of course, and you need, what was it?
I'm gonna pause this.
A block of your choice, probably dirt, if you're in survival. And you're gonna need some trapdoors, am I right? Alright, so after you do this, you want to go. What the? Okay, actually, I'm just going to do this regular chair design I found out. Oh, no, I'll do hers.
Forget about a chair. Just stop.
What?
Start the D&D.
There we go, I got it. Okay, sorry about
There's
this.
a way much
guys.
simpler way to do that.
There probably was, Brie, but I'm not a simple person. I do things to the extreme. So let's sit in this chair and watch the TNT load.
terrible.
I love when I do that. How about we just do this? How about we just do this? All you TNTs, you better die. Okay, let's go sit in our chair now. Oh no, I'm scared to turn around. Oh no, I'm not gonna crash the game.
Oh no.
Oh, yep. Okay, this is not so bad. Sit in our chair and watch the whole thing go down.
I'm gonna go down there with you. Okay?
No, don't come over here. You're gonna kill the computer. Oh no, I can't even do anything. Ah!
Whoa, everything's exploding! Wait, okay, I'm just gonna back up.
Wait, I'm gonna run up to it. Ah! Look, it's just like.
Oh no! My computer crashed!
Why is that responding either? Okay. Hopefully you guys can. Oh my gosh. Okay. Hopefully you guys can still see audio and stuff and hear audio.
Hey, I'm back.
But.
It's so exploding!
Oh, that happened to me too.
Why did I move forward?
Tell me when it's over. It crashed.
Oh no, it's not responding.
Close the computer down, Bree.
Oh, I'm gonna just do.
Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see how the server is doing.
It's probably dead.
Probably.
Oh no. Back. Move back, Bree.
Yeah, you're dead. I'm gonna restart the server for the sake of the server. Oh my gosh. Oh, Minecraft's back.
That wasn't bad.
Okay, guys, we've done it. So I mean, yeah, we did it. So thank you guys for watching the video. This short video was like, oh, actually it was 7 minutes. Well, it's a short video, pretty kind of actually longer than most of my videos. But ooh, the game has crashed. Okay, yeah, the game has crashed. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And thank you guys for watching this horrible explosion video. Guys probably didn't get to see much of it, but yeah. So without further so before you actually click out of the video because like, oh my gosh, you're so stupid, make sure that you do drop a big fat like on the video if you do want to see tutorials from me. Now this was just a little short video, just kind of like update video, just telling you guys I'm not dead. I don't know why, but yeah. Alright guys, make sure you do subscribe if you want to see some tutorials and get them when they come out, right the moment. Also, I will be having a notification squad. Whoever comments first on the video, I will give you a shout out on my Instagram and YouTube.
I don't even know how the heck.
So yeah. Alright, see you guys. Bye.